Hello, I'm Sean. I'm with the Brown Safe family.
This video will show you how to change the combination on your electronic lock. Start out with the door open and the bolts extended to avoid any unnecessary lockouts. Start off by entering 0 6 times. Next, enter your existing 6-digit combination. Now, enter your new 6-digit combination. The display will flash to acknowledge your new combination, then go ahead and re-enter the same combination a second time. Your new combination is now set. Before closing and locking the door, it's best to check out and verify that new combination.
Hope this video did the trick. If you have any additional questions or concerns, you'll likely find the answers on our support page or call us. Our family is always there to support you.